Hi guys, my name is Lally. I'm a wig maker, a costume maker and a Lady Gaga impersonator, and I am coming to you today with this Get Ready With Me video. So I first start with my usual foundation, which is Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid, and I just pop that all over my face. It's just a really quick one today because I just did a little video for a Pass the Soap challenge on my Instagram. So after blending that in, I'm just going to highlight with my NYX Cream Contour Palette. And I'm just going to highlight under my eyes and in any dark spots on my face, like around my chin, and just lift out my jawline. I'm also just going to use a little bit of that around my lips so that I can create a new lip line with that when I come to the lips. And now I'm just going to shape my nose more into the same kind of shape as Gaga's. Now I'm just going to contour under my cheekbones, around my forehead, my jawline and my nose. And I'm just going to blend that all in. I'm just going to repeat some of the highlighter in some of the areas to just make it a bit stronger. Now I'm going to take a shimmery highlight and put that on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose in two bubbles, on my cheekbones, my chin and my forehead. And just blend that all in really well. I'm taking my Haus Laboratories Glam No. 1 palette and I'm just using the colour Cake to go all over my lid and brow bone. Now I'm going to go over the lid with Applause. Then use Spotlight on the brow bone. And then Cameo in the crease. Now take a smaller brush and use the colour Top Hat to create a wing that goes into the crease a little bit. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to hear more from me. Okay, now you want to create a really thick line on your lower waterline with just a normal eyeliner pencil. So start right in the waterline and then come down to the lash line and create a point on the tear duct. And now use your Haus Laboratories Eye-Liner in Punk to create your top winged eyeliner. You want to keep it quite tight to the lash line until you get to the wing. I'm just going to use any brown eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows, and this one I believe is by Sleek. And now I'm going to set that all with Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I'm going to reinforce all of my contouring and highlighting with NYX's Power Gel Highlight and Contour Palette. And now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Next I'm going to use Maybelline's Lash Sensational to do my mascara. And now I'm going to use my Ardell Wispies to place my false eyelashes on. Oh, I'm going to use Lash Duo with this. Going to use a bit of concealer on my top lip and blend that out. And now I'm going to use my Haus Laboratories RIP lip liner in mid, and I'm just going to line within my lip line. Now I'm going to use my Max Factor Intensifying Lip Balm in Sumptuous Candy and my e.l.f. highlighter and blusher in Rose Gold, and just hit the high points of your face with that. I'm going to pop on a wig cap and my wig, and then just slap a hat on and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're having a great day. Mwah!